Welcome back to day 17 of the 30 days of Clawhammer Banjo. Today we'll be adding a new technique called a pull-off, which sounds like this. The basic technique of the pull-off is to play a fretted note, then pull off of the string with the fretting hand to sound the open string or fretted note below it. So, as an example, play the first string, 2nd fret, fretting with the middle finger, then flick the string almost as if to pluck the string downward so that you can hear the open string below it. It's difficult to explain the exact technique, but it involves some pressure downward into the fretboard while also pulling away from the fretboard so that you can pluck the string. A common issue people face with the pull-off is that we're not just removing our finger from the string. We need to actively make the string vibrate again as we leave the fret. So a good way to make sure that we're doing that is to do just the pull-off with no initial strike of the string. You'll know you're doing it right if you can get a sound out of just the pull-off, like this. Then, when you do play the initial note, you'll have no trouble getting the second note. Try a pull-off on the 2nd string from the 1st fret to open. Then the 3rd string, 2nd fret to open. Finally, the 4th string, 2nd fret to open. Just like with the slide, we can incorporate this into a Bum-Ditty. Try this pull-off on the 1st string, starting on the 2nd fret, then strum the open strings as the ditty portion of the Bum-Ditty. You can then try this with the other pull-off ideas from earlier. purposes, being able to play this pull-off and Bum-Ditty on the first string, starting on the 2nd fret, is going to help us play our arrangement of Sourwood Mountain. Today's featured banjo player is Noah Cline. Like a few of our other featured banjo players, Noah is perhaps better known as a banjo builder than as a player. But even without the great banjos that he builds, he would be known as a great banjo player in his own right. I'll leave some links in the description of this video where you can find more of Noah's great music. Anyway, that's all for now. See you next time.